How do you check your e-file status on TurboTax? Let's get started. First, what you can do is navigate to the website of TurboTax, log into your account. After logging in, go to Tax homepage. You'll see an overview of your tax return, including its current e-file status. Scroll to your tax returns and documents section. Select the 2024 tax year. Look for the e-file status next to your return. Pending. Your return is still being processed. Accepted. The IRS has accepted your return. Rejected. There was an issue and the return was not accepted by the IRS. Likewise, next thing you can do is use TurboTax e-file status tool. Visit the TurboTax e-file status check tool. Enter the required information such as Social Security number, individual taxpayer identification number, filing status, exact refund amount. Then click Submit to view your e-file status. TurboTax sends email notifications about your e-file status, including acceptance or rejection by the IRS or state tax agency. By following these steps, you can quickly check the e-file status of your tax return in TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.